Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. As you can see, we are going on an outing. So recently I was on a couple of designer websites to get inspiration for Christmas decor as well as Christmas color inspiration. And guys, everything was expensive. So I thought I would stop and look at a few stores to see if I could find something similar for less, or maybe I could recreate it on a budget doing a DIY. So guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart and Hobby Lobby to see what we can find. Also, if you want to see what I bought as well as a sneak peek of this year's Christmas color palette, stay until the end. Okay guys, so we're here at Walmart, and the first thing that I wanted to check out was the wreath and the garlands. I picked up a wreath a couple weeks ago from Home Goods, and I wanted to see if Walmart had anything better. So we're gonna just make a quick trip through Walmart and Hobby Lobby because I want to get back to share with you guys what I picked up. Now, I stopped here at the My Texas Home Collection to see if they had anything similar to the items that I saw on the designer websites. And they had quite a bit, and the prices are so much better. Now, these I thought were really nice, very similar to the ones from Studio McGee, but at a much better price. They also had velvet bulbs, and these were a different pattern, and the size was nice, and the price was good as well. Now these bulbs were similar to Studio McGee as well. I love the color, and then the size on the ornaments are very nice to make a nice statement on your tree. And these were also similar to Studio McGee. You just needed to add maybe a little touch of gold. Okay, so I stopped by the Walmart brand ornaments, and I noticed they had the pine cones from last year, and I missed out on them last year by waiting too long. So today I'm getting all that I see. They had 6. So here at Hobby Lobby, I definitely wanted to stop and take a look and see if they had the viral velvet ornaments. And they did. They had a new color this year, which was green, and they had a few different sizes. Now, if you missed out on them last year, check out Angelic Interior Designs video, and she shared how to make them. Now, I stopped in the craft department because I wanted to make a few DIYs myself. And so I picked up these clear ornaments for my DIY. Now, if you guys want to get in on the DIY with me, then pick up some ornaments yourself, pick up some paint. I picked up metallic paint because I wanted a little metallic shine on my ornaments, but you can pick up whatever paint you like and whatever color. And then pick up some paint brushes. And you guys know I never leave a store without checking clearance first. Alright guys, so we are back at the house, and I did pick up a few things from both places. If you recall, I was in Hobby Lobby and I was looking at the clearance. And so I'm going to share with you what I picked up from clearance, and then I'll show the Christmas items. Okay, so from clearance, you guys recall I picked up this candle, and guys, it is worth every bit of $4.99. It has I can't even explain the fragrance, but it's a sugar rose, so it's kind of sweet, but it smells citrusy at the same time. And then you guys remember the throws at $4.99. Definitely couldn't pass those up. And so next I picked up this little cosmetic bag. It's in a light color and it may get dirty, but I thought it's really cute. I like the boucle fabric, and it was only $1.99. Now I'll continue with Hobby Lobby, and I'll do Walmart last because most of the ornaments came from Walmart. I picked up some ribbon, and I thought I would use this ribbon to tie on the ornaments. There's several neutral colors, several shades of brown, a black, gray, and then a white and a cream. And these are a perfect size to use as an ornament hanger. They were $8.99, and ribbon was 40% off this week. And then I just picked up a few more in the brown, this color, just to make sure I have enough. Okay, and so this ribbon came from the sewing department. Now I did go over to the Christmas area and picked up a few more. And so I thought these were pretty. They will definitely work with my rustic glam theme. If you look closely, you can see a little sparkle. And they were $7.99. And then of course Christmas was 50% off. And I picked up 2. Okay, so I picked up this garland. It's pretty noisy, so I wanted to go ahead and put it down. Now this garland is pretty with a little bit of pine cones, some evergreen, and then the red berries, which will be coming off. I may paint the berries in gold, or I may just take them off altogether and replace them with something else. But I like the idea of the dark bells. And of course, I'm going to incorporate this in one of my garlands. So they were $7.99 and they're 72 inches long. And I picked up 2. So next I picked up these cedar stems. I have a cedar garland that I picked up last year. And so when I was using it on the mantle, I was needing a few more pieces just to fill out the garland. And so I picked up 5 of them because that's all that they had left. So guys, once again, I know everyone is telling you guys you got to go and get these things, but it's true. You need to pick them up if it's something that you think you want. And so yeah, these will just be little fillers to give a little fullness to the garland. If I need a piece to drape down from the mantle, these will work for that purpose. And so next I picked up these gold sugared berries. And so I used them last year in a vase by themselves. I could also use them in the garland. And they would just add a nice little touch. Of course, you have to fluff them a little bit, and then you have something like this, and you can use this on a mantle down the center of your table, or you can even use this application on your staircase. Okay, so next I picked up a few supplies because we're going to DIY some ornaments. If you watched my last year's video, I did a makeover on some of my old ornaments. And so that's what I'm going to do this year, as well as create some new ones. Now I picked up these plastic shatterproof bulbs, and this is what we're going to do the DIY with. and I need paint for that project. I picked up some white, and these are all metallics. These are found in the craft department at Hobby Lobby, and they have a ton of colors. But I was interested in the metallics for this particular DIY, so I picked up white metallic. I picked up a gold, a bronze, a black metallic, and then just a black acrylic. And then of course I have the brushes that I'm going to use. These are the sponge brushes you can get from Hobby Lobby. They're $2.99. And then I picked up these chenille sticks. Now these I generally use to tie my garland on my banister. Sometimes if I run out of hooks, these are good for that. So I picked up black and brown. Also I picked up wax, and that's going to come in handy when we paint some of the ornaments in the metallics. So you guys have to come back if you're interested. Pick up some bulbs, pick up some paint, and we will do the ornaments together. And don't forget your paint brushes. All right, now let me show you what I picked up from Walmart. All right guys, so here are a few items that I picked up from Walmart. I wanted to pick up some black because I knew I would incorporate that in this year's color palette. When I noticed that they had the black velvet at Walmart, they have a pack of 4 for $6.98. I went ahead and picked those up, and I picked up 2 packs. Next, I picked up these. They're like bowl fillers. They're just bells. You can do whatever. You can make a garland out of them, or you can use them as bowl filler. And they were $3.47 for a set of 18. Next, I picked up these pine cones. Now, I saw these pine cones last year, but I waited too long and I couldn't get my hands on them. So when I saw them this year, I went ahead and picked them up, and they only had 6 left, and I took them all, and they were only $1.98. So next, I picked up these ornaments. And so this pack here, it came with like a bronze color with a little champagne tip. And then this one here is in the black with the bronze tip. All right guys, so I think they're really pretty, and I think they will make a pretty finishing touch on any tree. Oh, and guys, I almost forgot, I picked up the wreath from Walmart as well. This is the one that was $16.98, and I think it turned out great. I had picked up this one here from Home Goods a week ago, and it was $40. And so when I saw this one for $16, I thought this is a no-brainer. I'm taking the one back to Home Goods. And the only difference is the one from Home Goods, it does have a light. Let me see. Yeah, it has a light. I have fairy lights that I can put on this one, and so I added the ribbon and the bells, and then I think I would add some pine cones, just like the one here from Home Goods. $16.98 versus $40. What do you guys think? And so I have these little gold berries that I can add to it. I got them in a pack of 20 or so from Target last year. Okay, are you guys ready to see my color palette? Okay. It's dark, it's moody, it's elegant. Or I may use it in my bedroom. If you guys saw my last video, then you know that I used a little moody colors of black and brown and creams, and so I may use it up there as well. Not sure yet, but I'm loving the combination. Tell me what you guys think. Okay guys, so here is an example of one of the DIYs that I will be doing in my DIY video. These were inspired by the Studio McGee marble ornaments, except she used gold and cream, and you can use that color as well. I just used these colors because this goes with my color palette. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing our outing, and also please let me know if you want to do a DIY with me, and I'll see what I can come up with. I want you guys to get your supplies, and I'll let you know when I will do the DIY video so we could possibly do it together. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys at my next video. Bye-bye.